As a student, I learn in supply demand is on the supply and demand curve. Quantity determines how much suppliers offer and how much consumer demand. Price determines how much suppliers sell their products for and how much consumers are willing and able to buy those products for. Shifts in the respective curves occurs as a result of economic factors. And also I learned market structure. Market structure consists of a number of firms that supply goods and services and the consumers who buy these goods and services. This helps to determine the level of production, consumptions, and also competitions. Elasticity. I learn on how much one variable, say sales number, will change in response to another variable like the price of the product. Mastering the concept resembles learning to ride a bike. It's tough at first, but when you get it, you won't forget. Production and cost. I learned production cost refers to the cost a company incurs from manufacturing a product or providing a service that generates revenue for the company. Economic system is a mean by which societies or government organize and distribute available resources, services, and goods across a geography, region, or country. Economic system regulate the factors of production including land, capital, labor, and physical resources. Macroeconomics examines the interaction and behavior of internations and economics such as why recessions occur, what causes economic growth, and how countries can benefit from specialization and trade. Microeconomics, how individual consumer and firms make decisions and how the interaction of many individual decisions that affect markets. International trade. In international trade, business courses include trade theory, global supply chain management, negotiation, diplomacy, international investment, and import and export strategies. Economic indicator, leading coincident or lagging figures that indicate broad conditions. Economic policy, it covers the system for setting interest rates and government budget as well as the labor market, national ownership, and many other areas of government interventions into the economy.